welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soap Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ngenimba ke guys. Yazi mangabe kuyi weekend senze an update ukuthi yini ngase expert itorini zakho ke ozithanda ke kakhulu. Well guys, kwinimba kuleli iviki guys uyaqhubeka ke bakithi uyanga nokugowa. Ngicanga ukuthi ingane ke esikoleni ziyamusho ngapha nangapha, but ke at least she have support ke ye family yakhe ke ubaba ke uMabandla kanye ke noma wakhe uThumza. So guys, into ezokwenzeka kuleli viki ukuthi ke uLwandle ke guys uguilty nje ngayo yonke indlela, and uzotshela ifamily yakhe ukuthi ucanga ukuhamba aye kaMabandla ke ayoxolisa. I don't know if leyo bekuyi idea right yini, but ngenxa ka guilty bathi uzohamba ke aye kaMabandla noma ke uzohamba aye kaMabandla ke ayozama ke ukucela uxolo. We don't know if they will ever accept his apology njengoba yena ezoqhubeka nempilo while ingane yabo ke isemathuneni. Okunye guys okuzokwenzeka ukuthi ke lencukana family bakithi finally reunite. Engazuthi ke inkinga kade zidala ke uAzande, it was because azange ayentabeni ayofundiswa ukuthi ukuba indoda ke into enjani. So kuleli viki uzohamba ke ayokwenza usiko lakwaXhosa lokuthi ke asuswe ekubeni inkwenkwe abeke indoda. And ke guys it seems as if leyo nto nje eyenzeka leli iyenza yena no Lazarus babe ama brothers, yabo, babe na that kind of a relationship, basupportane and stuff. And I don't think ukuthi ke uAzande uzoke enze anything to sabotage uAzande. I think it's gonna be the Ngcukana family versus the Zondo, because there is ungazwani ke okufufusayo after uZondo ehambe ke wothatha ke iclient yakwaNgcukana. So yeah guys, but the good news ukuthi ke kuwona lo mcimbi ke uzokwenzela ke uAzande guys, sizobona ke uThumeka and Lazarus would be like, yo girl, dala ngikukhumbulile. And nathi ke guys besemkhumbula 6 weeks yonke ehambile ugele ubuyile ke, and niyazi mayibuya guys ukuthi ziningi izinto ke ezishintshayo. So yeah, that bring us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.